Hey guys, so welcome back to another quick TikTok tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to reset TikTok For You page. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, we will open our TikTok mobile application. So what exactly is the For You page? The videos on your For You page were selected by the TikTok algorithm. It is focused on providing you a variety of TikTok videos that you might be enjoying according to the app you use. So how you can reset the TikTok For Your page is that you have to go to discover page from the bottom, and in the search bar, first of all you have to clear all of the searches and you have to click on clear. What it does that it clears all of your previous search history and as a result resets your page. So the next step is to clear the cache. So what we could do is that you have to go back and click on the profile icon, and then you have to tap on the three lines at the top right corner and you have to go to settings and privacy. Here you have to scroll down until you see the option of free up space in the cache and cellular option. Here you can see the option of cache. You simply have to tap on clear and you have to click on clear again, and after that your cache of all the TikTok app will be deleted. After that your cache will be cleared. And now how you can personalize your For You page is that my first piece of advice is to always like the videos that you want to watch in future. So now if I return to For You page again, I would simply like the video which I want to watch in future, and hopefully I'll be able to view more videos just like this. The next step is personalizing your feed is to select not interested for any of the videos that you not wish to watch. So for this, let's just swipe down and find another video. To select not interested in the video, hold the video on the screen and then you can see the option of not interested. Just select it and the video will be removed from your For You page and you will not see again. You could also search for certain videos that you want to watch, and TikTok will take that into the algorithm. Therefore I'll go back and I'll go back to the search bar and I'll search for any of the person, and after that the TikTok will start showing me the videos of that person. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.